Namaskar aspirants, this video is the continuation of our MCQ series on motor design and its components. Let's start. Our first question is fuel oil penetration into the cylinder of a diesel engine is, and the given options are dependent on the air turbulence, reduced by finer atomization, increased by finer atomization, non-existent to the precombustion chamber system, and the correct option should be reduced by finer atomization. Our next question is proper atomization of fuel in a diesel engine combustion chambers will, and the given options are affect the injection pressure, improve combustion, reduce compression pressure, decrease power output, and the correct option is improve combustion. Our next question is what is required for crosshead type engines that have a scavenging space in open connection to the cylinder, and the given options are the airflow from the scavenging space must always be protected by plate type check valves, and under no circumstance may other devices be used. A suitable gasket for the interface of both manifolds is necessary to prevent recirculation of scavenging gases while additionally minimizing exhaust gas leakage. The scavenging space is to be permanently connected to an approved fire extinguishing system entirely separate from the fire extinguishing system of the engine room. The required equipment for a crosshead type engine is totally dependent upon manufacturer's ability to placate market demands, and the correct option is the scavenging space is to be permanently connected to an approved fire extinguishing system entirely separate from the fire extinguishing system of the engine room. Our next question is which of the following statement is an accurate description of fuel injection piping used on diesel engines with a cylinder bore of 250 mm and above? And the given options are the piping shall be so arranged to allow for uncomplicated removal of the fuel injection equipment and other associated components located on the cylinder head. All high pressure piping shall be of the double line type with the outer leak of line suitably channeled to a dedicated tank. All storage tank connected to the leak of piping of fuel injection system shall be provided with a high level alarms and sufficient means for emptying. The piping is to be effectively shielded and secured to prevent fuel or fuel mist from reaching a source of ignition on the engine or its surrounding. The last option is the correct option. Our next question is in a diesel engine mechanical type fuel pump the delivery check valve is opened by, and the given options are push rod action, cam action, hydraulic action, spring action. The correct option is hydraulic action. Our next question is what is the term given to the process of breaking up fuel oil into very fine particles for battery combustion, and the given options are settling, straining, spraying, atomizing, and the correct option is atomizing. Our next question is differential needle valves used in fuel injectors are directly closed by, and the given options are cam action, spring force, fuel oil pressure, firing pressure, and the correct option is spring force. Our next question is diesel engine fuel oil leakage should be drained and additional precautions provided to, and the given options are return this oil to the proper storage tank, prevent contamination of lubricating oil by fuel oil, ascertain an accurate measurement of this leakage, drain cooling water system components, and the correct option is prevent contamination of lubricating oil by fuel oil. Our next question is ignition injection lag can be caused by, and the options are improper timing of the intake valves, settling of the pump plunger, compressibility of the fuel, position of the needle valve, and the correct option should be compressibility of the fuel. Our next question is when is the fuel injection into a cylinder of diesel engines? When is the fuel injected into a cylinder of diesel engines? And the correct and the options given are before air in this cylinder is compressed, after air in the cylinder is compressed, after combustion gases in the cylinder have expanded, as air is taken into the cylinder, and the correct option is A, after air in the cylinder is compressed. Thanks for watching. See you soon.